making our work a little more fun.
Well, stop it. Someone can hear you.
La, da, 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 da,
Marina, knock it off.
da, 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 da. Come on, Addie. Adelia, sorry. It's just... Look, I was just having a little fun. No harm done, okay?
Marina, I'm serious. You know the law. If Miss Caroline heard you...
Miss Caroline isn't here.
It doesn't matter. What if she walked in? Or what if one of the officers overheard you? I can't lose you too, Marina.
I know. I'm sorry. I know how much it hurt you when they took her. And I don't want that to happen to you again, Adelia. It's just... The luxury ban is so stupid. I don't understand why a little extra noise is even considered a luxury.
Because it's distracting. And it's the law. A law that was created before we were born. And you should start following it. Get back to work, Marina.
Who are you?
What were you doing?
Nothing. I should be asking you that, alright? You do realize that these passages are restricted, right?
And why are you down here?
I'm a janitor, so I have authority. But you, where did you get that?
I found it in the woods. There was a note inside. I was curious.
Rosalie.
Adelia's sister? You knew her?
I loved her.
Loved, but you're not allowed.
We didn't care. The law didn't matter to us. Nothing did. So long as we were together. She's gone now. Because of that stupid piece of jewelry.
Will you teach me?
What? Oh. Piano. Alright. I shouldn't.
Yeah. Please.
Okay then.
Marina. Please show me.
Music.
Kevin, something's wrong.